Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Christmas home tour video. I have filmed a couple of decor videos for different parts of my house. I will link all the videos below. Let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to show you guys the outdoor decor that we did this year because last year was pretty weak, so we upped the game a little this year and have added lights outside. It's almost sunset. The lights are on a timer to turn on at 5 o'clock, and I wanted to film before it gets dark so you can kind of see what we've done. But we've put these lights out here around kind of the yard. I love the way trees look with lights through them, and it looks prettier at night. I don't know if the camera would pick up correctly. Over here we have this little snowman and presents. I believe we got these at Big Lots. We decided to add more decor just a couple of days ago actually. We went to a few stores and it seems like everything was already selling out, but we were lucky to get this. And we put garland around here. Sean hung lights up, and you really can't see them very well right now because it's still light outside, but he hung icicle lights all up on the house. And then we have this little Santa's mail. Sean wanted this and his mom got it for him, so I think it's really cute. And then we head over to the entryway. Then we head into this little area where I have put out some snacks for all the delivery people that come deliver everything for us, and I made this little sign. I bought this sign at Target, and I don't know if you can really see it, but it just says thank you Prime, UPS, FedEx, treat yourself. And I have water and snacks here, so I have been watching them from my Nest doorbell, and they are definitely helping themselves, which I love. It makes me so happy when they get something. Moving on to my door, it's the same wreath that I've had for a couple of years now. I have a tutorial on it. I'll link it below. It's a little hard to hear. Everyone complains, and I'm sorry, I was a newbie, but I do have a tutorial on this wreath. And this garland is from last year. I do have like a little hook that would make this a little lower, but I can't find it anywhere. So right now I feel like it looks like it's a little too high. But let's go ahead and head inside. Starting here at the entryway, I kept it really simple. I have this old tree from Target last year, and then this little cute Santa Claus right next to him. This Merry Christmas sign. I did put some lights here because it can get really dark in the hallway, but we don't always like to have the light on. So the lights are really cute. I did them for Halloween and I like the way it looks. This is how it looks when it's dark, just kind of lit up and cute. And then over here on this side, I still have just a little catch-all for the keys and this really pretty glittery reindeer. Moving on to the living room, you can see our main tree from the entryway. Here we are in the living room. We did get a brand new couch. It is so comfortable, and I know it looks a lot like our old couch, but the quality of this couch is amazing. It's like a kind of like from Restoration Hardware. I don't know if you've ever been there and sat on their couches. They are like so comfortable. It feels like pillow top, I guess, is the best way I can describe it. I do need to get new pillows and stuff like that for it, but I haven't had time. We did buy this blanket right here from West Elm, and it's amazing. Otherwise, I still have the same ottoman, and I had a reindeer on there, but my new puppy Sebastian ate the legs off of it, so it broke. I just have this Christmas tree and a Christmas candle there. And then over here, moving on to my fireplace, this is new as well. I did a whole video on this. I will link it below, how I decorated my mantle. Those lights are supposed to turn on. They're on a timer and they should be turning on any minute now. I think I have them set for like 5:45 or something like that. But in there's some light, so that lights up and it looks really cute. On my shelves over here, I didn't go crazy. I just sprinkled a couple of things like an old tree and some ornaments, a little furry tree, but that's pretty much it over here. I feel like the mantle is the showstopper here. Moving on to my Christmas tree, I've been decorating my Christmas tree like this for I think this is the 3rd year now. I usually change it up. It used to be like turquoise and white and silver, but I don't like to have the same Christmas tree for a long time. I may do a different one next year, but since I put a couple of trees up now, I might just keep it the same. We'll see. It does get pretty expensive when you have to redo a whole tree, I will say that. So we have kept this one for 3 years. Sean said we had to keep it for 4 before I could change it, but that's a debate. We'll worry about that next year. Moving on to the dining area. The dining area is where we did a completely new tree, so that's another reason I feel like I don't have to change my trees all the time. I did film a complete video on how I decorated this room. Sean wanted a red and black buffalo check room Christmas tree. I won't spend much time in here just because I can link that video below for you, and you can see like how I got here, but I think it's really cute. I really do love this tree. I wish I could leave it up all year and decorate it for like every holiday. And then here's the buffet table. I love the way this room looks. It's just like different, and I still think it flows with the whole house. So moving on to the kitchen. I like to sprinkle Christmas decor everywhere. On this side of the kitchen, I have a lot of the stuff came from my haul. For example, this snowflake rose gold, I guess hot plate holder. I don't know what this is called. But I never shared this, and I think it's super cute. It's like a cookie jar type thing. It is from, I believe, Crate & Barrel. It's like a little house. If you can see the detailing on it, it's pretty cute. And then inside, we have just Christmas treats. So these little very yummy Christmas little treats. Over here, I kept it really simple. We just have a rose gold little Christmas tree, a nutcracker, and pretty much that's it on this side. Over here is my coffee bar and hot chocolate station, which I also did a video on this, so I won't go in super detail, but I will link that video below for you. And this is where I make my coffee every morning, and then I pretty much make hot chocolate here every afternoon. I love that I added some red into the kitchen, so normally I have just white, marble, and the copper rose gold color, but this year I added in some red. Over here on the bar top of the kitchen, we have a little Christmas decoration. So we have this new cake stand that Sean bought for me at Crate & Barrel, and over the weekend he spent the day baking, so we have some of the baked goods that we made over the weekend in there displayed, and of course we are eating them. Then I have this little rose gold tray, and I put a reindeer, a candle, and a little Christmas tree there as well. Over here at the end of the bar top, I have just some ornaments in a glass jar and this little Christmas tree as well. That's my total home tour. Hope you guys like the way I decorated for Christmas. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!